Hello students, how are you? Welcome back to the SST class. I hope you all are doing well. So let's start the SST subject. Today we will start the new chapter of history, chapter number 3, Nazism and the rise of Hitler. In the spring of 1945, a little 11-year-old German boy called Helmut was laying in bed when he overheard his parents discussing something in serious tone. His father is a prominent physician. Deliberated with his wife whether the time had to come to kill the entire family or if he should commit suicide alone. His father spoke about his fear of revenge, saying, "Now the Allies will do to us what we did to the crippled and Jews." The next day, he took Helmut to the woods. Woods is the name of a place where they spent their last time happily together, singing old children's song. Later, Helmut's father shot himself in his office. Helmut remembers that he saw his father's bloody uniform being burnt in a family fireplace. So now I am explaining the para to you. Listen students, it was the time around 1945. An 11-year-old boy named Helmut. The spring season is on set. He was laying on his bed. He heard his parents talking that we would kill ourselves because now it is the turn of the Allied powers. This is the unit. In this unit, which we will be dealing about Nazism and the rise of Hitler. So, moving on the concept, Helmut is an 11-year boy. His father was a physician and he was very prominent in his field. Moving on the topic students, an 11-year-old boy listened from his parents. He heard that his parents were talking something very mysterious and they wanted to kill themselves and they wanted to kill their family also. His father had two options. The father had two options. What are the options? The one is either we will kill and end our lives together, like the family members, like wife, children, all together. He would, and another option is he would kill himself and leave the family apart. So this was actually very difficult to take for the children, take for the child who is only 11-year-old. सी स्टूडेंट्स, आज आप भी अपने ऊपर लेके देखो, आप लोग जिस एज में हैं उसी एज के आसपास ये हेलमेट है. अगर कोई इस तरह से अपने पेरेंट्स के बीच की कोई ऐसी बातें सुनेगा, ऐसी मिस्टीरियस टॉक्स सुनेगा, तो उस बच्चे के मन में कितना कुछ चल रहा होगा कि क्यों उसके पापा खुद को, पूरी फैमिली को मारना चाहते हैं. हु आर ज्यूज़, कौन है ये ज्यूज़, उस बच्चे के मन में कितना डर हो जाएगा. लाइक वी जस्ट वॉच इन टीवी सीरियल्स एंड मूवीज़ ऑल्सो, कुछ ऐसे सीरियल्स वगैरह हम देख लेते तो हमारे मन में कितना डर आ जाता है. वही सब एक इतना बहुत कुछ इस 11 साल के बच्चे के माइंड में चल रहा था. सो लेट्स मूविंग टू द. He was too small and he could not understand actually why his father was so much worried and why he wanted to kill himself and his family. He also heard that what did he do for the Jews. कौन थे Jews? कितने कुछ सवाल थे एक छोटे बच्चे के मन में कि क्यों उसके पापा उसको, उसकी फैमिली को मारना चाह रहे थे, क्यों उसके फादर इतने टेंस्ड थे. Who were Jews? What did these people do? So the next day the father came from office. They went to picnic of a place named Woods, where the family enjoyed the picnic. The next day the father shot himself. The point blank range, it's the name of a gun, shoot himself in office. That boy Helmut, who heard the talking between the parents that they are going to kill themselves and the family, found his father dead and his uniform was completely covered with blood. So now we are going into the details. सोचो एक छोटे से बच्चे के लिए ये सब देखना, उसके माइंड में कितना उसको डिस्टर्ब किया होगा, कितना वो बच्चा डिस्टर्ब हुआ होगा ये सब देखकर. This boy, after this incident, he rejected to have food from his parents, especially the mother, from the next 9 years. He was very much deeply moved by the incident. He would not have been felt so bad. He would not have listened the words, actually what the parents were talking on the priority, but as he heard that it was a pre-planned one who was suspecting the mother that even she would give something Femi to end up his life. उस बच्चे के मन में ये आने लगा था कि मम्मी कुछ ना कुछ खिलाकर उस बच्चे को भी मार देगी. So with the idea only he rejected for the next 9 years to eat food made by his mother's hand. It might be food, bread, water, milk, whatever she made. So in this chapter, you all might have heard different leaders in the world. Some are very commendable leaders, some are puppets in the hand of the powerful rulers. Now Hitler was the name which was used to represent a particular set of people who had a different mindset, who don't listen to anyone, who create harm to many people. These all are the adverbs which can be added to Hitler. Hitler is a word which you use to scold people, which you use to name the people whom we hate. Hitler is considered as one of the dangerous dictators of the 20th century, what the world has seen. So, let's moving to the. He had killed nearly 6 million Jews. He was one of the main reasons for the Second World War to come, and fought the Second World War, was standing in front. So in this chapter we will discussing about what are the views and the ideas of Nazism. So what is Nazism first? Nazism is spread by Hitler. Nazi means the Germans. He started a party called Nazi Party. From there he had set of ideas. Its ideas are not one idea or two ideas. It's not only targeting the Jews. He had a set of ideas which together he called Nazis ideology. In this unit we will be discussing about Nazis ideology. How did Hitler came into power? What are the conditions before Hitler came to power? What was the political structure at that time? What were the situation that gave a take to the Hitler from a normal soldier range who worked as a normal soldier and a messenger in World War I become the reason of World War II. This all we will dealing in this chapter. The First World War left a deep imprint on European society and polity. Soldiers came to be placed above civilians, politicians and publicists laid great stress on need for men to be aggressive, strong and masculine. The media glorified trench life. The truth, however, was that soldiers lived miserable lives in these trenches, trapped with rats, feeding on corpses. They faced poisonous gas and enemy selling and witnessed their ranks reduced rapidly. Now moving on, understand, in 1945 Germany served to elite powers. Germany caught completely and defeated by the elite forces. The propaganda minister Goebbels with his entire family in the month of April committed suicide in his own bunker. Why did the propaganda minister of Hitler committed suicide? The reason is because the entire Germany now going to occupied by the elite forces and they are going to destroy and kill the main leaders who are the supporters of Hitler now. So let's come to the next topic, that is unit number 1.2, political radicalism and European crisis. Although Helmut may not have realized all that it meant, his father had been a Nazi and a supporter of Adolf Hitler. Many of you will know something about Nazis and Hitler. You probably know the Hitler's determination to make Germany into a mighty power and his ambition of conquering all the Europe. You may have heard that he killed Jews, but Nazism was not one or two isolated acts. It was a system, a structure of ideas about the world and politics. Let us try to understand what Nazism was all about. Nazism is spread by Hitler. Nazi means the Germans. He started a party called Nazi Party. From there, he had a set of ideas. The set of ideas are called the ideologies of Nazis. We called them Nazis ideology. In this chapter, we will discuss about the Nazis ideologies. So, in order to avoid that situation, Goebbels, the most powerful and popular minister who made Hitler so famous, who was the main in charge of 10 propagate the ideologies, 10 basic ideologies of Nazism to the world, committed suicide in the month of July, April at the 30th day. He committed suicide with his entire family in his bunker, where his family used to stay. And the International Military Tribunal TMT was set up. TMT was set up at Nuremberg to check into the crime which Germany did against humanity, the war against humanity, the atrocities which are made against the humanity in Germany on the wake of Hitler, in the wake of Hitler and Second World War. So let's come to the concept. Why did they commit crime against humanity? Why did the IMT was set up to investigate the issue against humanity? Did they really do anything like that? Yes, if we go into the facts, they are really very astonished. They devised a new method of killing people. The Germans have crossed all the lines. They have created a new trend in killing people on the name of Second World War. They targeted special group of people and eliminate certain sections of people ultimately from Germany. So it was the place of Auschwitz, where they have set up special place they used to fill people, thousands of people together and send a dangerous poisonous gas to kill them. Thousands people killed mercilessly. We used to find thousands and thousands of dead bodies burned in a single stretch. People are killed numerously. This process is also called genocidal. Genocidal means killing on large scale leading to the destruction of large section of people. Everyone came to feel that the rise of Nazi Germany could be partly tracked by the German experience at the end of the First World War. What was his experience? Unit number 1 is birth of the Weimar Republic. Before going to the first unit, I am going to explain you about genocidal. It is also known as genocidal war. In a genocidal war, nearly 6 million Jews were killed. The other people who are physically disabled, Hitler considered physically disabled people are the burden and economically they are very much costly to maintain themselves. So, he eliminated them also. So, he nearly killed 70,000 of his people belongs to his zone. The statistics prove that Hitler killed almost 2 crore people in the First World War. The treatment meted to Germany was one of the main reasons Germans rose against the First World War and fought the Second World War. So what happened after World War First? What were the situations that created space in the ground for the Germans, or which saw the seeds of Second World War? What actually happened at that time? What will check out all what happened in what situations are created, what were the problems faced by after the Second World War. We check it out, we will discuss out in next video, and in our next video we will start topic unit number 1, birth of the Weimar Republic. So it's enough for today's video. So good day, enjoy your day.